the neighbor is following only his father's suggestion, because his father says that you build a strong fence or wall between your farm, that means your farm and your neighbor's farm, or whenever we do build our house or houses, we have to build a strong wall between the two houses, that means between the neighbors, myself and my neighbor, so that we can maintain the good relationship between us. That is his logic, and he is just blindly following his father's advice, and he likes having thought of so well. He says again, good fences make good neighbors. Blindly he is following his father's advice, and he likes having, he is very much fond of saying this line. He is liking this line, as if he has engraved this line in his mind and soul, that good fences make good neighbors. So guys, the poem ends with a tone of satire or irony. Simultaneously, it is blended with wit and humor. That is, later on I will explain where it is wit and humor, where it is irony or satire, where it is philosophy. But some hint already I have given you what is the philosophy through the character of the neighbor, that good fences make good neighbor. That means whatever the earthly things, whatever the rational things, the poet has explained through the lines of the poem. The rational thing or the earthly phenomena, that is the wall. We have to maintain the wall. If wall is broken, we have to mend it once again in a proper way, so that we can maintain or sustain the relationship for long time. If there is no boundary, or there will be no boundary or wall between the neighbors, that means conflict or tussle will take place. That is the concept of the neighbor. That is the thinking of the neighbor, which Frost has presented in the poem. So guys, I hope that up to here you could understand, or you have understood the poem up to here, whatever today I have explained before you. So today I am not going to give you any question, because it is incomplete. When I will complete the poem, when I will explain the poem, the philosophy, the theme, or the central idea, or the critical appreciation, then on the basis of the remaining part I will give you questions. So today guys, you please note down some words and find out the words from dictionary, whether it is from mobile or hard copy, and you will answer the meaning. That means you will have to write the meaning of those words. So I am going to give you 10 words from the poem itself. Are you ready guys? The first word is frozen. F-R-O-Z-E-N. F for forest. F-R-O-Z-E-N. Frozen. Word 2. Mending. M-E-N-D-I-N-G. Mending. 3. Boulders. B-O-U-L-D-E-R-S. B-O-U-L-D-E-R-S. Boulders. Word 5. Where. W for white. W-E-A-R. Where. 6. Offense. O-F-F-E-N-C-E. Offense. 7. Elves. E-L-V-E-S. V for victory. ELVES. Elves. 8. Grasped. G for goat. GRASPED. 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 9. Swell. Swell. S for sun. SWELL. SWELL. L for light. LL. 2L. 10. Abreast. A for ant. ABR. R for rat. EAST. ABREAST. Abreast. So students, you have noted down all the words. So you have to write the meaning of those words in your copy. So this much for the day. See you once again. The remaining part of the poem I will explain before you, and the home assignment I will give you accordingly. Till then, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.